Welcome back to the WoodUbend YouTube channel. In this video we're going to show you how to make a simple garden sign using WoodUbend. So this project used only 4 products. We've got the WoodUbend trim TR708, Posh Chalk textured metallic paste in pearl white, Posh Chalk metallic pigment in copper, and the trusty Posh Chalk pigment infuser. We applied a good quality chalk paint to the centre of the sign, marking the lines with masking tape. We chose a rectangle shape, but you can make any shape you like. You can get chalk paint from any good DIY or craft store. We always recommend applying several layers for the longevity of the chalkboard. After we remove the tape, we put fresh tape onto the sign to protect the chalkboard paint for when we apply the Posh Chalk textured metallic paste in pearl white. Before this though, we measure out the WoodUbend trim against the plank. We are going to pre-paint these trims using Posh Chalk metallic pigment in copper. WoodUbend has all the properties of normal wood when it's cool, but when it's heated it becomes bendy and flexible. To mix Posh Chalk metallic pigment, you must use Posh Chalk pigment infuser. The powdered pigment is what sets this fantastic product apart from other pre-mixed ones on the market. Mixing it with the Posh Chalk pigment infused allows the user complete control over the consistency of the product in its liquid state. For example, you can create a highly pigmented paste for a full coverage application, or you could create a liquid wash to add gentle sparkle to any surface. For this project, we make a thick paste to cover the WoodUbend trims. Now we paint the wood using the pearl white Posh Chalk textured paste whilst the painted WoodUbend trims dry. The pearl white Posh Chalk textured paste is infused with Swarovski crystals to add texture and a little bit of glamour to this thick, versatile paste. The paste is water-based and scented with essential oils, meaning it smells as beautiful as it looks. It can be used as it comes or easily watered down into a wash. It's really an all-in-one product which is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. After we remove the tape, we begin applying the WoodUbend. As always, there are 5 steps of application when using WoodUbend. The first step is to heat your WoodUbend. You can use a heat gun, griddle, or even a hairdryer. The second step is to apply a good quality wood glue. We use Titebond Quick and Thick, but you can use any good quality wood glue on the market. Please avoid Mod Podge or PVA. Then apply the WoodUbend to the surface. You can wipe away any excess glue at this point if it comes out from under the moulding using water, a Q-tip or a baby wipe. The 4th step is to heat the moulding again, and the 5th step is to press again, and this lets you make any final adjustments to your moulding and ensure a proper adhesion. And again, you can wipe away that excess glue. We leave the edges of our WoodUbend trim a little bit longer, and this is so we can mitre it. Mitering means cutting the edges to make a seamless finish. To do this, we place the 2 parts of the trim over one another, making sure they're well warmed up, and then we cut diagonally through the trims, removing the top and bottom parts that have been cut, and this means that the trim falls perfectly into place. We love using WoodUbend to frame and decorate project pieces. It's so easy to use. And here's the finished piece. A classy sign perfect for prossecco drinking in the summer sun. Please make sure to follow our social media to see more upcycling ideas, and you can buy all the products that we've used here on our website. The links are in our bio. See you next week.